I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and my pencil brush from MAC. So now I'll just be applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer on my eyelids to brighten the highlighter? To brighten up the eyeshadows when I apply it. I look really tired, but I'll be using the translucent powder from Kat Von D to set the concealer. So this was a complete fail. I used my Ulta Beauty's blush brush to put the translucent powder on, and it ended up like this, too much powder on the eyelids. So I had to go back and put my use my MAC 129 brush to get all that powder off my eyes. So the palette that I'll be using is the NYX Ultimate palette, and the first shade I'll be using is Yellow. And I'll be using my Crease brush that I got from Ulta Beauty from my, the Pretty Pink Unpolished palette. I'll have it linked in the bio, but I'm just going to apply the yellow all on my lids. And this is optional, you don't have to apply it all on your lids, but this is what I did. Now I'll be mixing the red and pink together, and I'll just be applying it on my crease.
Tryna put him in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church shoes. Nearly .2 just to hurt them. All red lamps to tease them. None of these toys on lease to. Made the whole year in a week too. Main chick out of their league too. Side chick out of their league too. House so empty, need a centerpiece. One of your at the table cut from ebony.
Now I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to outline my cut crease. And the brush that you see is not from the LA Girl Pro Concealer, it's actually from my L'Oreal concealer. I just like the brush, how it makes my cut crease look.
Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy. Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy. You're a pretty somebody trying to end you. Pull up in the road to rescue. Pockets overweight, getting hefty. Coming for the king, that's a far cry. Come alive in the fall time. No competition, you don't really listen. In the blue moon slime, bumping new editions. Hustle when they need a centerpiece. Money right the table, cut from Avenue Heat. Put that ivory in a skinny pieces. And she clean it with her face, but she loves you, baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. They talking about you, you don't see the shade. Switch up your style, you take any lane. Switch up your cup to kill any pain. The mall, Brad Pitt, legend of the fall. Took the year like a bandit. Bought mama a crib and a brand new wagon. Now she at the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek roof in the Wraith the Con. Girls get loose when they hear your song. Hunts on the dash, get you close to God. You don't pray for love, you just pray for God. You're a pretty little star boy. Look what you've done.
I'll just be taking the yellow shade and putting it all over my crease, and I'll be taking baby steps with this. And the brush that I'm using is my e.l.f. Smudge Brush.
Look what you've done. You're a pretty little star boy.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up their eye like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pen on. No, they don't know. Or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party. Live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now.
So I just put my eyelashes on. I did them off camera, and I'll just be moisturizing my face with lotion. I don't do all the extras and get all the expensive stuff in my face. Like, I just put lotion on and I feel hydrated. So now I'll just be using my NC46 foundation from MAC and applying it all over my face. I do use a light coverage for my foundation, as you see. now I'll just be highlighting my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Bond. So now I'll just be setting the concealer with my translucent powder from Kat Von D. Next, I'll be contouring my face with my True Complexion Black Radiance thing. Yeah. I usually don't like contour my forehead because it does kind of look weird ahead. I just wanted to do it for the video. Now I'll be taking the powder off with my Mary Kay mineral brush. Now I'll be using the pressed powder from MAC in the shade NC46. So to finish this look, I'm just going to be applying my chapstick and my everyday lip gloss that I got from Sally's. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get to follow me with my makeup journey.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that